Hi guys, today I will give you full demonstration about hydroponic system, how it works, what are the diseases, how to add nutrients, what are the nutrients we add, uh, how to measure the nutrients with the help of these instruments, what are the diseases in the hydroponic system. So let's start with the nutrients mixture. Sorry about disturbance. We have exhaust fan here or nutrients mixture. Maybe the noise. So it is the NPK solution. It is micronutrients and it is Epsom salt. We call it ABC nutrients. I already added the nutrients. I'm just showing you a demonstration about how to add. Just add this mixture in the chamber in equal proportion. Then mix it well so it can dilute and show the correct results in a EC and pH meter. So this is EC meter. Dip this in the solution. So our AC is now showing 1700. It is very perfect to the growth, and EC should be according to our plant growth. Like if the plant is small or like 1 week or 2 weeks old, EC should be nearly 800 to 1000. If the plants are growing old, like 3-4 weeks older, then we should increase our EC according to the plant growth. And the main thing is pH. The optimum pH of every plant is 5.5 to 6.5. If we take our pH below the 5.5, then our roots cannot absorb the nutrients and may lead to unnatural growth. And coming next to the diseases, so hydroponics is favorable to waterborne diseases. What are waterborne diseases means? It is like fungus, maybe. Yes, it's fungus. So now I observed that one of the plant root is getting black. Why? It got a fungal infection, which is Pythium root rot. We should remove the plant whenever we will notice early, because it can spread to the other crop and plant, so that our whole crop can be damaged by spreading Pythium root rot. And the main cause of Pythium root rot is nutrient solution. If the nutrient solutions get warmer, it is most favorable to grow in a warmer solution. So you should maintain your solution in a colder temperature so that you can avoid Pythium root rot. And hygiene is must and should in hydroponic system. If you don't have hygiene environment, you can spread any diseases like fungal diseases, because it is so favorable to waterborne diseases. So and optimum temperature for any crop is 26 degrees centigrade. Because of some major current issues, minor current issues, will face some exhaust problems, like exhaust will turn down and the temperature goes around 40-45. This is a major problem, I can say major and minor, because in Hyderabad there is no shortage of electricity, but for sometimes any line cuts may leads to a problem to our nutrient solution, and this nutrient solution get warmer and may leads to the Pythium root rot. So our temperature should be nearly 26 room temperature, nearly 26 degrees centigrade is most favorable. Then coming to the okay guys, I will explain you in another video what is the